Oh, they can hear. All right then. I'm basically whining to everybody.
Mid rant from
Mid
Alan.
rant of why I'm just like trading like an absolute monkey.
We're good.
What's going on, boys?
What's up,
Mate, nothing much. No, I haven't. Like I said, I haven't traded this account since I was actually last live with you guys. So all I'm looking at is my $257 win, my $26 win, and my $230 loss.
Well, it's all right. You actually won that competition because I went in a trade with LJ last Friday and I forgot my stop loss. And then by the time you know, it was a weekend. I got an email from Funding Rock, and it was like, "Your account just been breached." I was like,
"No, oh mate, that's savage. That is savage."
Whoosh.
Yeah, that's pretty crap. Mate, to be fair, I was swing trading on like all of my accounts that I had just because I've got a lot going on elsewhere, like off the trading, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do some swing trading. So I placed on all of my accounts. I've been in these trades like 2 weeks now, and I thought to myself, I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna hold these trades over the weekend. I thought, oh wait, no, some of these I'm not allowed to hold over the weekend. So I'm there like scanning through all the rules, thinking, right, which ones can I hold and which ones can't I?
Oh mate, it's so annoying. That's why it's best just to stay with like one firm or just one or two firms or just
literally.
Yeah.
Oi, the boy. He's here. Mr. Funded himself.
Oh no.
Why? He hasn't blown it, has he? Why? Is that a sore spot?
Maybe a little. But
man, that's
Michael, what are we gonna do with you?
Dude, last week
what are we looking at then?
Man, I don't know. I'm gonna get my trading. I haven't even tried trading deal. But usually, like throughout the week, I'll keep my my terminals open. Like literally, I've closed all my terminals. That's how little I've been trading. Like I've closed all my terminals until I sit at my desk.
Yeah, I don't reckon I can do that.
Yeah, fair.
So honestly, I've tried it. I don't think I can sit in front of this desk and not have a chart open.
Oh, no, fair. Yeah, okay. To be fair, I was working last night till like 12 a.m. Like, it was like midnight, and I did open my terminal. I was just watching floating P&L whilst doing work.
Wow, we've been having some dodgy price action though.
Yeah, mate, this week
has been tough. It's been a tough week, man.
Messy. All correlations have broken down. There's no synchronicity. It's just, I don't know, random.
I think like price action is just like spaghetti. It's just like all over the place, man.
Yeah.
Going up, going down. It's either that or my brain is spaghetti for the amount we've been trading, because it's just like I see a direction and then I get in, get out, and then it goes to my take profit. So
it happens, man. Like literally, that's the thing about streaming. What you're streaming, you're trading. Sometimes you feel like you need to be in a trade.
Oh yeah, this wasn't when I was streaming either.
Alex, I gave you an out there, man. Like,
we gotta be honest. Like, this was the trade that I was in earlier today. It was like this, off the 50, looking for a 1-to-1 like this, and then it comes down into this candle, and literally, price literally got to like a pip away, and I was just like, oh, I might as well just close it. And then as soon as I close it, well, look at it, it's gone to the take profit. So happens, doesn't it? That's why I say set and forget is the best, man.
I fully agree with that. Like, set and forget is the best thing in this entire world until you stream trading, because you can't. There's no such thing, unless you can place a trade and literally walk off camera and like go off and do God knows what and put some background music on. Set and forget's just not possible. I was a massive set and forget trader until I started live stream trading, and then I was always closing early.
I reckon that's long. Euro pound though.
Euro pound I haven't touched since 24.
That does look decent, to be fair.
Yeah, it does look good.
Yeah.
Oh, it does look banging. Oh, should we get in? Yes. Let's risk it for the biscuit. Go on.
You're not too late. You're not too late.
Not too late.
Right.
Not too late. Not too early either.
No, not too early, but not too late.
We're a little bit late actually.
Yeah. But hey. Yeah, dude, I don't know. Everyone seems to be looking forward to tomorrow with Jerome Powell, right? And
Who looks
what
forward to
he's gonna
Jerome
speak.
Powell speaking? Like genuinely.
Apparently the market does. That's why it's been an absolute chop fest. An absolute garbo the whole week. Back and forth. back
It's
and
just
forth,
been there's just been a lot of ranging.
Yeah. Do you guys believe in like seasonal plays, like seasonal markets, like summer markets?
Do you know
Oh,
what?
to a degree. I mean, there's less liquidity. Dude, from 10 years, okay, this period every single year is always shit.
Yeah.
Frankly.
I was
It's
about to
always
say the
worse.
same thing.
Yeah, it always sucks.
Yeah.
Right.
And like this is the first time. I
Hands
think this is the first time I've properly noticed it. Is sort of I think it was like July, August. Like June was okay. June I started sensing it at the end of June, but June was okay. It was like July and August, man. It's been absolute dog.
Mm.
I like Christmas, man. I have some of the best
Yeah.
Christmas is
Great.
really good, dude.
Christmas. I don't know why.
Hey, that's weird, man.
Because people say like everybody's on holiday, liquidity's low all the time,
But it
but it's the best.
In all fairness,
it's
2
it's
years
the same
ago-
as what you have now, but
Yeah.
it's different because you're coming up to end of the year, and everyone in the US gets their bonus through that period. So that's why everyone piles into the Christmas trades. You know, stocks run up. Everyone's trying to get that eke out that extra bit, right? Whereas this period, everyone,
Everyone's just
flips
trying to get
off.
out. Everyone's like, I'm off
Goes,
to the
yeah, it
farm.
goes to Europe, goes to holiday, right? And then so it's completely different. End of the year, you get those heavy momentum trades in that low liquidity, which is easy to read because everyone's on the same side because they're trying to, everyone's incentivized in the same way, right? So that's why
Yeah.
Christmas is better.
I
But this
think
period
my
sucks.
best trading's been in
Alright.
January. Like notoriously over the 7 years I've traded, the best times have been January. I had an 18% month in December, but that was fluke. Like I've not seen an 18% month since.
Yeah, I had one earlier in the year as well, 18% as well. I haven't been able to get that back.
Yeah, no.
Trust me, I've tried, and
Oh,
every
yeah,
time I
no,
try,
mate,
every time I try, I give everything back.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I was just telling you before we went live. I was trying to go for that 20k month, and then no.
Yeah.
No, sometimes I'm
Give
just
10
like,
away. Yeah, it was tragic.
that's what it's like as well when you try and get on the leaderboard or something. Like
Oh, that's one thing I've never wanted to do.
you get on the leaderboard, and then you're on the leaderboard. You're like, you know what? I want to get to number 1. Or you want to get to number 3, and then you start putting on random trades. And I had to stop myself once. I was like, this is silly, man. And this is why they do it though. This is sometimes why their leaderboards are in place.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
It is to, in my opinion, to tilt people because people
100%,
chase,
man. 100%.
like,
And don't get me wrong, I love those leaderboards. Like I love watching those leaderboards, but I've never once. No, okay, no. I was on the leaderboard once, and that was at the Fivers show. Do you remember when we first met?
didn't you win that?
No, I came third.
Mm.
Yeah, I came third on that.
Oh, the
I
execution.
was winning it for about. I was winning it for a good amount of time, and then some guy goes, "Oh, how do I close a trade?" And I said, "Oh, you do that." He closed it and won it, and I was like, "Oh, you bastard!" I was like, "Why did I tell you?" I was like, "No."
Yeah, should have sabotaged it. Yeah.
Yeah, I literally talk about self-sabotage.
Yeah, you'd be
Yeah.
like that button there. Just that's the one
Yeah.
that close it off, and you're
Yeah.
just putting in 30 lots for it.
100? Yeah, just 100.
Yeah.
They're micro lots, dude. It's micro lots, don't worry. Right?
Yeah, that's the only time I've ever been on a leaderboard. It was the first and last. I've never been interested in being nonsense.
Do you know what? I'm really competitive, and I just sometimes just for the ego. Sometimes you try. It is. Sometimes you just do it just for the ego, and you got to be honest with yourself.
Yeah.
Sometimes I got to be honest with myself. Suddenly, you want to beat somebody on the leaderboard, and it's just all right. So that looks like it's doing all right. LJ, you're on the screen.
This is what I'm in now, yeah.
Let's have a look.
So I got tapped out on this guy earlier today during Asia.
Australian
too
dollar
early.
USD. Yeah.
Yeah, or dollar. This one picked up. We then came back off. bit of back and forth, picked up again here, looking for us to keep going higher. Whether we call it early or get up to the actual pivots or run beyond, we'll see, because this market sucks, frankly. But that's sort of where I am. That's the only position I've got on right now at the minute. I did have one earlier in. Dude, this I took way too early.
Is that an actual landline?
No, that'll be my partner.
Is that real?
That's a cool. That's a cool thing for it. Yeah. Hang on.
I was gonna say the guy's got dial-up or something. He's got like one of those phones, you know, that you actually have a You actually have a landline. The only person that I know has got a landline now is my grandma.
Same, dude.
It's like what? It's like.
Mate, I remember the old landlines. I'm not old enough to have the cords and all, but like I remember the old landlines and stuff. And I used to be calling my best. The only people I knew was my dad's number, my best mate's house number, and I used to remember calling my mate like when I was a kid, like, "Oh, hey, do you want to meet up and go play down the village or whatever?" Mate, I think that stopped when I was about
good old days, those, yeah.
Good old dial-up when you could either use the internet or call someone. Right, you had to pick one or the other. I still got that period over here. So yeah.
Oh, imagine what it would have been like to send messages through like pigeon and that. Like everybody's coming through all these different.
Mate, I mean, depends how paranoid you could still do it.
No, no way.
Message.
No way that's still a thing. But it's like times go. So okay, you had the pigeon that used to send messages. Then you had whatever, and then you had dial-up, and then you've got 3G, and now so what we're gonna have like
telepathy.
Yeah, man, I couldn't even.
Elon Musk, brain chips, we'll just.
Tell you one thing that I would absolutely love.
I would do it.
The one, really? Nah, screw that.
I would do it. I would let Elon Musk put whatever in my brain.
You let him probe your brain.
Yeah, Elon Musk can do what he wants, mate. If he wants to put a chip in my brain, let's go.
Oh, mate, screw that, mate. If you've ever seen Kingsman, that's all I need to say.
Kingsman is great, though.
Yeah, Kingsman is great.
Yeah, the end of Kingsman, like the first Kingsman, nah, no one's putting nothing in my brain.
Do you know what? It's like, think of all the stuff that you could do, though.
Yeah,
like,
dude, of course, yeah.
I would do it.
Someone could do to you. Does that never cross your mind?
Yeah, I see. I don't normally think about the risks, man. All I think about is the reward. What reward can I get from this?
Yeah.
Monkey see, monkey do. Okay,
dude. Imagine that with trading, right?
Yeah, mate, literally.
Like in, out, in,
I'd
out.
Be like
open, exit.
Sitting down with my missus. I'll be sitting down with my missus, and I'll just be like trading in my head, and she'll be like, "What are you thinking about?" I'm like, 10 lots long. That's all. Oh, God.
100%. Oh my God.
No offense. I mean, to be fair, I do go to bed sometimes. I'll be lying there. If I can't sleep, I'll run through my trading strategy.
That's, mate. Sometimes when I'm lying in my bed, I'm scrolling from my phone in my head, I'm like mentally still unreal.
Just like remembering what GU was like for the day. It's like, okay, no, I could have done that. Could I have worked that out?
See, now that seems quite healthy, but going through I remember what was that? There was like a reel, this reel, and that reel, and then
what was that TikTok that I saw about about Shrek?
Man, I tell you what, you can get doom scrolling is a thing, man.
It's a real thing, man. It is a real thing.
Well, it's just like a renewed thing, right? You used to do that the same on YouTube, right? Back before, you'd sit on YouTube and go through, video after video into the next recommended, and then you're viewing something on I don't know, how to strain spaghetti whilst doing some other weird thing. You're like,
that's what you're on. You're on YouTube. I weren't on YouTube.
No, that was the pre TikTok, pre Reels days, right? The the original doom scroller.
I remember Bebo. Was it Bebo or Facebook, MySpace or Bebo? I can't remember what it was.
I remember is it Vimo?
MySpace.
I remember there's like a Vimo or something in it. Do you remember Vines and oh my God, the days of Vines?
Vine, dude.
Mate, there's been some weird phases in there. These days.
Vines was basically
Sure.
just the earlier TikTok. TikTok just
100%, yeah, 100%.
did it.
Yeah, it was TikTok, and then they
Oh, they rebrand. That was TikTok.
that was so they bought Vine and then
Oh, no way.
rebranded it.
Oh, I didn't know
Yeah.
that. I
Oh,
thought they
neither.
copied the, I
Yeah.
just thought they copied the idea.
Yeah, same as that. I thought it was just copycat sort of thing. Also, I've just gone in XAU long.
Mm.
Yeah, I was
Oh
just
wow,
looking
nice.
at
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
right.
I kind of fancy the XAU long sort of
Yeah,
thing.
look at that bravery test continuation on the wow.
Right into the middle
Nobody,
of the
nobody can
channel
tell me
there, up,
technical
and
analysis
then-
does not work.
yeah.
It's like these lines, these magical lines in the middle of the chart.
Yeah, we're pushing this guy here, so we're
These
fair
magical
shot we could
squiggles
actually
that
find him
definitely
out.
work.
Yeah, magical squiggles. That's it. But yeah, I mean, look, right back into the R1, right in the middle of this channel. Now we're pressing the top.
Yeah, I mean, if I can go
Let's
for
do
1R,
this.
I'd be pretty happy on this. I'm risking 1, so if I can go 1R ratio, then I'm gonna be pretty gassed on gold.
Yeah, we got to see the break here because that's a pretty heavy drive, but right.
Yeah.
So we could like pull back first. Back
If we
in the
do
top
pull back, I'm
square.
happy to scale in and risk
then-
risk percent.
Yeah, and then up to this sort of top area, right?
I kind of want to see the 15 close quite nice and high though. Like a confident 15 close, pull back on the 5, re-enter, scale in, maybe like a small scale in, maybe risk 1.5%,
Mm.
and then I think I'd be pretty swifty then.
So yeah, it looks like we're getting that slight pullback now.
Yeah, that pullback's coming now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's right into the top of the channel there. So
Yeah, if I can.
we've dipped out of it prior, but then just come right back in, and that was off news. You can see the gap there.
We gotta be careful, man. We got half an hour until news.
Yeah, this was rollover actually today. That's what that was. So
Well,
yeah,
I've got 2.5% to make up.
Do you know what? Whenever I want to feel better about how much I risk, I'll always speak to you, Al.
Oh yeah.
Like every time.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
thinking, whoa, do I risk 1.5 or do I go in with? I'll screw it. I'll go in with 2. Why not? You know, we're live on stream. Let's go in with 2. Alex, like half a second later, I'm Jim with like 2.5-3% risk.
Oh,
Casually
yeah.
as well. I'm like, fair. That's that nice.
Like live by the sword and die by the sword. Sometimes you can really, if you go on a bit of a bad stretch, man, yeah.
then you cooked. Yeah,
then you're cooked. But if you're running hot, man,
then you're
The
cooking.
one thing I
Then
You're
you're
either cooking, right?
it's all about running hot.
You're
yeah.
either frying the skillet or you're on the skillet. You know,
Yeah, man.
that's it.
I think USD CHF looks really good, but I'm just not getting into the trade. Oh, you're on USD CHF.
It does.
right now.
Yeah,
does
that's
look
why I was just having a look. It does. This does look long. To be fair, right?
That is exactly what I'm looking at. But the thing is, there's news coming out, and I'm not getting into. I'm not.
Yeah.
No,
And then you got that.
it does worry me with news coming out, mind.
Yeah.
To be fair, we can trade it on Funding Rock, so I might put in.
Can trade and trader, there were 2 different things.
Yeah.
Dude, I was
News,
reading
is
this
it? I haven't
before.
actually-
I thought it wasn't allowed.
Yeah, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. If you're in the trade already,
Okay.
if you're in the trade already, that's fine.
Yeah. Right.
I'm about to be tapped in again on gold, so I'll be in for 2. I'll be in for 2% risk then. I mean, it's only PMI, man. Right. Fair.
What have we done?
Oops. Where's Mike? We need Mike in here, man.
Great quality. Great quality.
Great stream, man. This is what I'm looking at. That looks dank, man. That looks fantastic. Look, come down, taking all of these lows out, retested the level, and now it looks like it wants to push up to take out the highs.
Mm.
You see, and we've got this nice little trend line as well.
Yeah, I don't like the Dixie, but I mean dollar franc the past couple of days, like it's been moving opposite. to the rest of the dollar complex, right? It's just doing its own thing. So,
Yeah, it's, to be honest, we've just been stuck in this range, and it has been killing me, to be honest. Because you can once this pops out of this range, if the dollar breaks higher, and we do that, I think we're in for days of just up momentum. If it breaks down, I don't think we're going to get too much further than, down these levels here. I don't think we're going to start breaking down. I think we'll just end up ranging again and then eventually come back up.
It's hard. It's hard.
Yeah, it is
It's going to
hard.
be the Jerome Powell comments tomorrow, right? And then we got inflation data next week, and then after that's payrolls. So it's basically the next 2 weeks that are
choppy.
Yeah, so probably chop until we get payroll in 2 weeks.
That's why I'm saying euro pounds could be nice trades. Staying away from the dollar. So we're in a bit of a range.
Yeah, some of those other cross pairs. Hey, yeah.
We're in about 1% drawdown already on that trade. Great.
I've been doing well with Euro JPY at the moment. Like that's been really nice.
Wow, mate, I can't trade them. I can't trade the ens.
Mate, I used to be like that. Mate, honest to God, my yen skills were dog. Like they were through the floor. But like recently, like mate, I've been smashing the yen out. Oh, hello.
When I look at it like that, that could have been a really nice setup. Break of the EMAs.
We have news out, wasn't it? 2, not half past.
No, 45 minutes.
Yeah, I thought
No,
so.
it's 15 minutes.
Yeah, I thought
it's in 50 minutes. 45 minutes.
Time. I'm just thinking, why am I $100 up right now? We got a nice move on gold, and I was like,
why am I $900 down?
Mate, I went from like $100 down. I'm like $101 up right now, and I'm like, where did that come from? So what just happened?
I'll take that.
Mate, Euro JPY dropping, mate. Melting, mate. It's melting. Yeah, have we had any news out at half past? Oh, no, it's 2:30. I was gonna say 1:30 was unemployment claims. No, 2:45. We got nothing out. Fair. I mean, gold. Carry on, man. I'm not gonna stop you.
No, I think we've got 15 minutes, and then we've got PMIs out. 15 minutes, yeah. Is that gonna do much though?
PMI never really does much. I'm gonna say that now. It's just gonna slip me in there.
Flash PMI definitely important for sure.
Why?
Yeah.
Give us the breakdown, Eljo.
Well, PMI is generally like everyone's looking for them to pick up. They've been in the doghouse for ages, so we are getting a general pickup. And then the flash PMI, which typically turns up as like a less news event, but that's basically the prelim to the actual number. So people often run further off that versus the actual number, because that's where you get the first inducement. So yeah, definitely important, especially ahead of when everyone's questioning, employment, whether that's coming off, and whether inflation's rising. You need to have that backdrop of solid like economic activity to still consider the US in full flourish, right?
We will see. Do you know?
Definitely important.
What are the difference in futures and CFD funding? I tell you what, I would never ever want to trade a futures with the rules that futures have got. With
that's the only reason, though. I think is the rules are ridiculous.
Yeah, they're really difficult, man.
Like my brother trades futures, and he's explained some of the rules of his accounts, and I'm like,
so why would you do that?
Why do you bother?
Yeah, it's like if you go into trade there's a trailing stop, so it basically just follows your drawdown, just follows.
Dude.
What? No, I ain't doing that.
Mate, there's nothing worse than I hate a following stop loss.
Yeah.
Like one of my accounts now, the stop loss follows me until I withdraw, and then it goes down to my initial balance.
That's disgusting.
It's foul. Once I got my first payout, it went to initial balance, so it went to, let's say, 100k account. It went to 100k, and I'm like, I've actually only got like 3K to play with now.
Yeah, no, dude, that's just stupid. That's
No, backwards, isn't it?
Yeah, I would never trade with a firm like that.
Oh, man, I've gone from $200 up to like $80 up. I'm like, oh no.
It's all right. I'm 2% down.
Oh no, look at that wick. Akave.
I could be my match. This
Okay,
is
man.
this is what is this garbage?
Which is garbage.
This garbage. What is this?
Le garbage. Man, that was rank, mate. That was.
Yeah.
I have been a bit trigger happy though, I gotta say, recently.
Mate, that's the one thing I haven't been. I've been so good with my my entries at the moment, or like so good with my trading at the moment that I kind of feel like I deserve my TPs. So when it
You
hits
deserve
the
it.
stop loss, I'm like,
Here's
I
the
like
answer.
that. I like that. I love the fact that we deserve. I
deserve to have this TP. Like, do not hit a stop loss.
No, I think that's a really good way of looking at it. Like, I have worked very hard on this trade. Found it all myself.
Yeah, I even placed stop loss myself.
I
Like,
even found the place to put my stop loss. Wow, it's really since I got into the trade, it's really been pushing down. To be fair, let's see if this news does anything.
Well, euro pound.
Yeah,
Yeah.
quite tight stops. To be fair,
Yeah, I mean, euro dollar dip, pound dollar still right up. So
we're heading close to news. So I'm cutting my.
Differential.
I've cut my pending.
yeah, I'm probably going to take the Aussie trade soon as well before news.
Aussie dollar.
Yeah. 'Cause I'm well up now.
Oh yeah, pounds up, while euro's struggling. Wow, look at that USD CHF.
Yeah, I've taken gold because I think we're gonna hold there for a bit. So I've taken it at $152. That's a nice little take for me.
What we got?
146 net.
Love it, mate. Love it.
You watch though, it'll just absolutely rally up now. Like it happens all the time. Like I said, it's thing is though, I don't trade high impact news, so like no matter what this does now, like it'll be in accordance with my rules.
There's always a little bit of part of me that just wants to trade it. I tend to hold myself back from doing that, but there is a little part of me just was like, what if?
Yeah.
What
Yeah.
if?
What if
Is
I
this-
actually
Is
held?
this gonna be? I deserve this.
Give me
I
rocket ship
deserve
now.
this NFP pump. I've worked so hard.
I worked so hard this month. I deserve this TP.
Oh,
I don't deserve to hit a stop loss and just absolutely swipe my account.
No, man.
Yeah, I'm super pumped actually. I kind of like seeing my trade not reverse, but at least have a deep pullback.
You like seeing? I've never ever heard anyone ever say that in my life. That
Once-
you like seeing your trade reverse.
Yeah, once I've taken out, like if I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna take out early now. So I'll take out because I'm like, okay, this is happening, that's happening, invalidation. Okay, we're coming up close to volatility, for example. I'll take out early, and if my trade reverses, I'm just sitting with a smile on my face. Or like if
I like that. If I hit TP and then the trade reverses straight away and I got out, I'm chuffed. If it carries on for like
Yeah, man.
another 20,
just like
30
rallies up now, I'm like,
I'm super annoyed. I don't even want
Like,
the profit.
oh,
man.
mate.
Like, take the profit back.
yeah.
I don't deserve that profit, I
oh.
can't be doing stuff like that. So
Yeah,
I
all the
can
time.
only get you, to be fair.
Mate, even if I have a 1 to 3R, even if I hold like a full TP and like I've given myself a massive pat on the back and said, "Well done, Will, you're an absolute legend." I'll look at it continue to keep it like in my direction. I'm like, it goes from "Will, you're a legend" to "Will, you're an absolute muppet. Why didn't you hold it?"
Happens, mate. I got rid of a couch in my apartment because I was just like using it too
Oh
much.
god, bloody couch.
Not again. So I got rid of the couch, and it was massive. Yeah, it took up the whole apartment. So I got rid of it, and then I lasted about a week without a couch.
You
Then
just instantly bought
Went
you.
and, went and bought another one. I've just put it there, and it's basically the same size.
Mate,
So
exactly.
it was like,
I don't know if you can see, like this couch was over there, and
I've seen that couch somewhere
No.
before.
That's best.
And that white
was-
wall,
that was-
that white wall in the back as well. Hold
Yeah,
on.
that was the color you were looking for, Alex.
That was,
You
yeah.
messed up.
Unfortunately, we didn't have any black ones in the.
You done goofed.
Yeah, man.
There you go.
yeah, mate, literally, I love it. The thing is, like the missus sits on the couch. Well, I never use the actual couch. I never sit on it. I'm always sitting at my desk. So the missus will usually like sit on it, or like she'll fall asleep if I'm streaming. And
Yeah.
man, I've moved it behind me, and I'm thinking, oh wait, hang on, man, I've moved it behind me. Like no one's gonna sit on it now because no one wants to be in the camera frame. So I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
I've got no point in this couch now. I may as well get rid of it.
Right, so we got dollars, dollar Swiss, got pound.
We got 6 minutes now until news.
I'll put
Mm.
gold on, and then I'm gonna put this pound euro pound trade that I don't know how I got myself into it, but oh, we got 5 minutes. I was like waiting for it in
Yeah.
the anticipation. I was like about to start doing a countdown and everything.
Nah, 5 minute. 5 minute.
Oh, Euro GBY.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna TP and wait here in a sec.
I do look the pound. I do like it short down to this next level. To be honest,
Yeah, I think pound short could be a nice analysis.
it really looks short.
Just ranging at the moment, I don't like that big candle up
Which one?
on pound USD on cable. If we can get a close on this candle, I mean, thing is that we got news in like 4 minutes time. So
I know, it looks like it wants the. Looks like
So
it
does
wants-
Euro, mind. Euro USD looks nice. If we can break and close below this this previous low, I think that's going to be real nice.
Euro dollar does look nice right now, but
Yeah, I think we can have some nice shorts on this. I'm trying the Dixie looks ugly.
yeah, it does. Dude, everything looks ugly to a degree.
I've been looking at the markets backwards for the last day or two.
Oh,
That's why when the price action when Trump first came in was fantastic.
Yeah, mate, that was good price action. Like
Good.
everyone hated it. Everyone was like, "Oh, Trump this, Trump that." I was like, "Dude, I kinda like
Volatility
the guy."
was so good.
Like, mate, he's making good price action right now. I can't fault him.
Yeah, pound really pushing down.
I'm out of everything for now. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, mate, I don't blame
Waiting.
you. It's only Alex. Do we call like I don't know whether to call him stupid enough or brave enough or like I don't know what.
Wait, hold
adjective
on a second.
to
I just
use.
gotta check. I just gotta check if this
Delusional,
breach any accounts
you know.
because I got.
That's fine, guys. He deserves it.
I deserve it.
He deserves it.
He deserves the TP.
Gonna manifest, bro. Manifest or something.
How long?
What are you actually open? Well, like, what are you in at the moment? Oh,
Just what I'm in on the live stream. That's it.
Are you still on?
I'm in it both. I'm on it.
North
I'm
rank?
funded as well. Yeah. on the
Yeah.
yeah.
Michael, we always get what we deserve. I mean, sometimes I've done some things I kind of hope that I don't get what I deserve coming to me. So I kind of want to disagree with you, but I kind of want to agree with you as well.
Tenders in an EU short.
It's not restricted. I wouldn't be restricted anyway because it's USD news. What am I talking about? EU short. I agree. EU short, but pound
Yeah,
looks
EU
like
short.
it's really getting. So
You and G short looking nice. Like, they're looking real nice.
that's a really nice setup because I've been seeing London push up, making the highs, and then this same thing happened yesterday. This happened here. It's the same thing. It's the same thing that happened.
We've had that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, it's literally look at it. Literally the same thing has happened every single day, and I'm only now just realizing it. Look, push up London, break, retest, continuation. Push up London, break, retest, continuation. Push up London, retest. God, it's getting a bit obvious now, guys. Market makers, you've shown your hand. It's funny because out of all of those 3 days of it doing the exact same thing,
The landlines are now ringing. You know that, right? The landlines are now ringing. Guys, we got to change it up a little bit. Alex has noticed it.
We got 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Oh.
Oh, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Bosh.
Ah, cool. Yeah, fair.
Shit.
Boom. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
There you go. There's that stronger PMI.
It's taking me. Oh, it's taking me out.
There it is.
Oh, it's
There it is.
taking me out. Oh, that's
I mean,
savage.
if I can wait 2 minutes, we've gapped down on gold. I mean, I could buy this up.
Oh, that was savage, man.
So what we're looking for, them stronger PMIs. There you go.
Oh, woof.
Done.
Oh, look, it took me out,
Mate.
and now it's pushing back up, man. Seriously.
Oh, no. Mate, look at it, mate. I told you, EUGU shorts were fire.
Oh, mate. Oh, mate.
Oh, that was sweet. Mate, look at that. Oh, that is sick.
Oh, wait, they fully slipped me on that.
Did it? Yeah. How bad?
Yeah, I mean, dude, everything gapped. So, that's what I was just saying. Like, markets pricing lower PMI and said, PMI has been in the doldrums for ages and we're looking for it to come higher. Bang,
Yeah,
done.
mate. If you go on the Dixie chart now, yeah, you can quite easily find the direction there. Like, whoa.
Everyone's betting the wrong way for that stuff. Yeah, Dixie definitely has like a higher level from here.
Okay, I was taken out of that as well. Okay, so now I'm back at bloody breaking, pretty much. I still think this can go up though. I might get back in. Might get back in there.
I mean, structure doesn't look too bad. To
Yeah.
be fair.
It's just I had my stop loss in a very silly area, Mr. Cruz. Deserved that, mate.
Hot girl mess.
Hot
There we
Gomez.
go.
We're back in. Let's have a look at these. Wow, that pound is really bringing up some momentum now.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh. Euro's bloody doing the same, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, Dixie's like 98.60, that kind of area I'm looking for. So we're about, 46, 47 right now.
Yeah, I've jumped back in on a goal long on the 15. It's wide stops though. Like, really, I think we can get some nice price action, but they're super wide stops. I'm going for a 1-to-1R. Like I said, I wanted to go for that 1R in the first place. I think we can get it.
Mm.
I'm at $40 up at the moment, so I mean that's pretty cool. So we'll see. If we can fill the gap, actually, I think even that would bring me up to like 1% up in total. So that would be pretty sick. Like floating closed P&L would be 1% up. Man, I can't believe I was about 2.5, maybe 3% up. Man, I was smashing 1% each time I'd come on stream, and then I just lost it. I lost 2% like that. No news, nothing. It just reversed on me. I was like, oh no. That's what I get for chasing a 2-hour trade instead of a 1-hour trade. I was like, oh, that's
Oh, nice. Well done, Jitender. That's nice. Closed just before the news.
Yeah, solid.
That's funny. There's been solid price action, to be fair. That's it's really, really moving. What are the chances it does the exact same tomorrow?
Tomorrow's a hard one. Like today was pretty obvious, but tomorrow's hard. Still got home sales tonight as well.
Wow.
Yeah, that's at 3 p.m., isn't it?
Hmm.
Well, that was very interesting.
Crazy, dude. Crazy.
To be honest, I didn't expect it to be that. I didn't expect it to be that pushy. Pound really did build up a bit of momentum.
Oh yeah, just a bit. I'm waiting for gold to fill this gap at least. Come on, mate.
Yeah, see
Yeah,
that?
I want to wait for the gap to get filled before I enter. Hey.
Yeah.
Lovely entry right there on Euro Pound. Just getting back to where I was at a minute ago. Thing is, Euro Pound hasn't actually gone anywhere on the day, so you know it could potentially move up a nice amount.
I've just hit break even, bit of drawdown.
Oof.
Looking for EU sell at 33. See how we go.
Let's have a look. Oh wait, well, Will, you've been filled, mate.
Yeah.
Oh, nice,
Yeah, I was about $100 up a minute ago.
nice.
I come back down to break even now though, so sucks, but we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I want a minimum fill. I want to fill this gap down. If we can get that, then price can do what the hell it wants. I really don't care.
Yeah, I like the sell that you have on there. To be fair, LJ.
Yeah, and then see if we. That's like
Hey,
first
EU
one
or
call,
GU sell?
and then see if we drive lower.
I do see.
This is EU.
I do see a nice level at 16.13.
Yeah, that's sort of the clusterish area, about 11,
Yeah.
12, 13. Yeah. So
Oh mate, this
see if we get up there.
look at pound.
Not quite in yet. Pound? What, pound dollar or
Yeah, pound dollar.
dead?
To be fair, it's quite a technical. But it's like by the book price action. It's funny how it's by the book price action. Yet sometimes it's just really hard just to see it and get in.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It just makes like that hindsight trading, you know. It's like, oh yeah, wow, that's so obvious. Why didn't you get in? God, I just didn't see it.
Yeah, there you go. So break
I mean-
break lower, comes back up to a 50 fib, and then it breaks again lower. It's just that typical trending market structure.
Hmm.
Yeah, and that from yesterday's high to early low.
Comes
About
up
the
where the current
61.8.
618. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wait, that's something else.
Wait, what?
Oh, my euro pound is just not doing anything. Not surprised because they're all dumping right now against the dollar, the same rate.
Mm.
Am I the only one buying against the dollar right now?
No, I'm. Wait, buying against the
Buying
dollar? So,
gold,
like,
yeah, he's
short-
buying gold.
Oh, okay. Right.
See, the thing is with this, it's in the middle of the range as well, so it's a bit 50-50.
Mm.
Like, the thing is, though, if we're going to buy, I think we're going to buy from here. If we're going to sell, I think we're going to pull back and sell.
Yeah.
That's
Top
why I like
line.
the fact it's gapped on the 5. So if we can fill the gap, then I'd be a very happy man.
I gotta say, we're not feeling shit right now.
No, probably hell. We've just had a pretty confident close as well to the downside.
Yeah.
Maybe this is like, okay, guys, we're going to sell off, but we're going to pull back first.
Oh no, oh mate, I gotta say, Will, it looks gross.
Yeah,
yeah,
no.
it looks gross, bro.
Wait, doesn't it?
It does look gross.
It does look pretty hanging, doesn't it?
Home sales in 5 minutes. So
Yeah. That's only medium impact, though, isn't it? Yeah.
high impact for total home sales. So
Yeah, fair. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
We'll watch that, and then we'll call it a day.
Watch me out. Just smash TV.
are you still in USD CHF though, Alex?
No.
I mean-
I was out of that. Yeah, I didn't. I
Another one you got
mismanaged that this morning today. Yeah.
So that just came right up into that, perfectly into that cluster we just drew out at the start of the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, I'd be a fantastic analyst, man.
Look, we got
I'd be,
this.
I'd be a
cool,
fantastic trader. I reckon someone should put me on a live stream.
Yeah, man.
Okay, we finally hit broke even again. No, back into drawdown.
So we just got that.
Trading on vacation. I don't know, man. Don't know about
No,
trading.
mate, I did it. I've traded on every vacation I've been on.
Oh no, let's
What's a vacation?
Yeah, basically, mate. It's a trade. It's a tradecation. It's trading.
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
Holy crap! Though, look
We're
at
getting new lows.
look at we're getting. Euro's
we're
getting
just melting
absolutely.
on,
Oh my god!
EU especially, man. EUG were just melting though. There's nothing.
So this was the high level on the Dixie I was looking for, right? Up here. So still a bit further. But I was looking for we pull back, fill the gap, and then get the rip back up. But we're just punching on. So
Well, my euro pound seems I'm getting in right at the top both times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the 1 hour?
Yeah.
The 1 hour kind of sucks.
Yeah.
To be honest. The 5 minute looks alright.
But you want to see
Or it did when this was holding up. But
But then again, it's in a range.
yeah.
What am I? See, these are the times where I need to take a day off and just not, and then come back and I just make it all back and more,
Yeah.
Said like a true. I can't say
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
I'm $40 up.
We got how long? We got what? 30 seconds. Wow, Abe made 3% on his EU short,
Nice.
and
nice.
he's probably not even risking full 1% as well.
Woof. Right, fair play.
Yeah, Abe is very conservative when it comes to his risk.
I will say this is not looking too bad. Aussie
What's
dollar.
this? It looks like it's holding as support, to be honest.
Yeah. So like if euro and pound keep coming down, this gets dragged down for another touch, right? Support in here again, and then we finally get back up because we've had massive downdraft for
But we say massive.
ages now,
Okay,
look at
wow, bloody hell.
Does the 2 minute rule count for medium impact? It doesn't, does it?
right. We've just been down.
Look at that head and shoulders, though, man.
Up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Up. Down. Yeah.
Serious.
So and we've come back into this general area. We've slightly overshot it earlier during Asia. This point here is like what I just mapped out, obviously. But yeah, that slight overshoot, no close. This again, tap, but a slightly higher wick. This looks like we want to reverse. Right?
Yeah, it
So
does.
if I
Doesn't it?
delete that so we can see it, yeah. That looks
Just
pretty
look like it wants to push up.
Yeah, I've just closed on my gold now. $90 up, so 88 net.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got house. Oh, it should be out. News should be out right now for housing.
I mean, slightly better. Percent change, 2%. Nothing crazy though. Nothing out of hand. Leading indicators month on month in line. So
That's not too bad. I'll take that. I've got my close profit for today's 242, so I'll take that.
Yeah, I'm closing this euro pound. Yeah. I think that is it, boys.
Pushed it.
there we go.
Nice little profit for the day.
Fair play. I did my ass basically.
Hey, it is what it is.
D is
Been one of those weeks, you know. So
I can't. Where's LJ gone? Hold on,
biology.
yeah, where am I?
hold on, mate. There you are. There you go. So that is it. Thank you very much, guys. I don't know who's with me tomorrow, but I'll be here tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, man. Tomorrow could be an interesting one.
Yeah, I got a good feeling about tomorrow. Yeah, I got a good feeling, but man, I guess it could just be gas.
Could be. I do get that. I do get that.
Mate, you
Probably
deserve it.
the
You deserve it. Just
We
remember
deserve it.
that. You deserve it. There you go.
All right, guys. See you later. Bye.
Alrighty.
Good day, guys.
Ciao.